All right, back we go. Looking at some more stocks. It is Tuesday, August 24th. Let's take a look at XL. XL Fleet Corp, another one of like the EV stocks, charging stocks in that category. Just came way, formed back in September 2019, went flat. So we got to September, little move. Look at November, pretty much held that 10 line, then really bounced hard. 18 came back, put in a big move to 35 on the button. All right, came back here, a little bit of bounce. It was a fake out, another bounce. Not didn't last long. Came down here to a sharp point on this falling wedge. And then look at this, came back like a double bottom bounce. That was a nice little move here from 536 to 9. That's a nice gain. Tried again, but didn't hold. And then this fell all the way back sideways. Look where it came back to again. Low 543, low 541, low 541. Triple bottom, which is a good sign it held. And look what it did. 1, 2, 3, 4 days in a row bullish. Coming up, stochastics. Let's see here. You can draw a line here if it gets over that. Weekly, still bearish because see the 20 EMAs over 13 EMA. That's what I've been talking about. But this could come up and test this 775, maybe even 9. It did before. See this? But this has got to catch up. Basically, this catches up moving averages, and then eventually this will get over it, and then you'll come back up. Draw a line here. It's been back and forth. It can't get over on stochastics, getting higher. Monthlies sideways. So, immediately you're looking for 750, and see if we can get up here eventually to 9 again on this run. Good stochastics. You got your support here again. That's at 541 level. And immediate support, I would say, is 6 on this. It's looking very bullish at this point to make continue move. Let's see here. Draw this line. It's a trend line too. It has to get over this. That's why 7 is an important line on this. So watch that on XL Fleet Corp. Let's watch Root now. Take a look. See if I can get this down here. This IPO'd and it went to a high of 29.48. Came all the way back to 14. Nice bounce to 22. Then came back down again. But see the high is getting lower each time. It came out of this wedge. 8 to 14 plus. Another wedge didn't come out. It was a fake out. Then it dropped hard to a low of 519, 520. Trying to come now. Look at this stochastics buried in July. Back and forth. It's buried. When's it going to pop? The weekly sideways right here, 407. Stochastics monthly. It's straight downtrend. So hard to see this really moving. I would say if it gets over 6, high target would be for me 8 if this really moves that trend line. Maybe 657. If this could finally pop, I would keep an eye on. And your stops 550 and about 515 because it's still in the downtrend. Look at this. Each high has been, it made it to that nice high on a nice little move here, but then it came down. It's still in an ultimate downtrend here. Until we get a complete reversal and we're going back up, you're playing the bounces. That's all you do in these stocks. You play the bounces. You don't have to sit there. And I think it's going to go up or it's going to do this now. You don't do that. You play what the chart gives you. If this was an uptrend chart, this was reversed, and you're going this way, you just play bounces from the bottom to the top. So XL looks pretty good for maybe continued bounce route. We'll see what this little move does here if this starts to move up. So, all right, that's it for XL and Roots. And please subscribe to Mike Heyman Trades alerts on YouTube. Smash the like button, leave comments about any stock, any analysis, anything you want to know. It's always good. Twitter, Mike J Trades. Instagram, Mike Heyman Alerts. Stock Twits, Mike Heyman Alerts. And TikTok, Mike Heyman Trades. That's it. Peace.